Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to enter data in RPA challenge using the modern design in UiPath. You can see over here, like if I keep on refreshing the page, position of field names get changed, right? Over here it's the first name again and again, right? So for this, I have created a workflow which I'm going to create it again in front of you so that you guys understand like how it works. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to click over here. Okay, this is a show modern design. I'm going to select. Okay, and I'm going to use activity that is use application browser. I'm going to click over here and just click. It's going to select it rpchallenge.com. Now I'm going to resize window as maximize to make sure like whenever the bot opens the browser, it should be in maximize mode. And again, I'm going to use type into activity from modern design. There it is. Okay, so for this instance, for this video, we are going to enter data in first name field. I'm going to select the first name. There it is. And I'm going to select anchor as first name. I'm going to validate it. And this is confirm. If I want to recheck it again, it's edit target. It's going to showcase you again. I'm going to enter my name, for example, it's Gaurav. And again, I'm just going to place message box, which I can enter anything. I can say it's done. Okay. So as you can see over here, if I refresh it again, position gets changes. It's now on top. Now let's execute the bot and let's see how it goes. It's first name, it's done, right? Now again, we are going to execute bot again. Let's see. It's done. That's it. So with the help of this, this activity, we can insert the data in the field, no matter where these fields are dis displayed in the application. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot.